We are obviously on high alert throughout the summer months here in the Pacific Northwest. It's when we typically see wildfires. Adam, what can we expect going into this weekend?
Yeah, it's still going to be dry tomorrow, a hotter and a drier day, especially across the eastern side of the state. Of course, we know about our larger fire near Lake Chelan and some poor air quality over that way, too. So not only are you going to have to deal with that if you're in that area, but also the other side of the state is expected to be much hotter than what we're going to see over here, even though we're going to see a warm up and see highs back up around the 90-degree mark. Expect more of the 100s as you head over there. So here we go. Tomorrow, yeah, it's going to be a hot one. We're expecting those temperatures to get back into the upper 80s. As a matter of fact, it's going to be the 17th day that we'll see in a row of temperatures at 80 degrees or above. We exceeded the old records of 1997 and also in 2015 of 15 consecutive days as we made it up to 80 yet again today. So yeah, we're now officially up to 16 days and look to make it 17 into the day tomorrow. Highs today, 86 in Tacoma, 83 in Bremerton, 79 in Friday Harbor, 60s down towards Hoquiam. That is it. That's the cool spot that we've been seeing here so much here throughout the week. Now high temperatures tomorrow, 79 in Bellingham, 82 in Mount Vernon, but you can see as you get closer and closer to that source of where things are expected to be hot, those temperatures really start to crank up around Diablo Lake up to 96, Lake Kavanaugh up to 85 degrees. You can see more of this pretty high heat down around Gold Bar at 89, 86 in Monroe. We'll top off at 81 closer to the water here in Everett, 83 in Linwood. Then we'll see more of the mid to upper 80s down across King County, the Kitsap Peninsula, parts of Pierce and Thurston counties in the upper 80s to lower 90s, 91 in Puyallup, and we'll see more of that across interior parts than off towards the south coast. Again, going to be a bit cooler out there with 60s. Here we go into Sunday. Things do start to come down a little bit. We'll expect those highs to fall back a bit, not only because of more of the onshore flow, but also we're going to get some cloud coverage that's going to move on through. Now, this is Sunday morning at about 8 o'clock. You can also see some specks of green. If we see any raindrops, it'll be out towards the coast. I think overall, though, we're going to keep things dry. Just see the clouds move throughout the morning, and then by early afternoon, 2 to 3 o'clock, skies clear out on out. Temperatures trying to climb yet again into the 80s, but then we'll get a little more onshore flow heading into Monday, and that's going to cool us down even more so, and that might be the day that we finally break our streak. But then Tuesday, that's definitely going to be the day because it looks like we'll get more sun and clouds around, and that air mass is going to be much cooler. Why? Well, because this trough of low pressure is going to start to dig down across parts of the Pacific Northwest. It'll head more so into British Columbia. That's where it's going to be centered, but we're close enough to see more of the effects from that. And that will continue to cool us down during the daytime hours as well as the nighttime hours as our lows start to drop back into those low to mid 50s next Tuesday and Wednesday. And for a change, we'll actually be below average when it comes to our temperatures. Here's your 7-day forecast. Highs in the 80s the next couple of days. We're back in the 70s. A nice stretch of 70s starting up on Monday through Friday.